Para mangkukulam lang, ah.
Halloween nga.
Talagang All Souls Day na.
Nananakot.
Puro sound effect lang yan, ha?
Malalaman natin, bro.
Kakanta ba talaga yan?
Well, she was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said, oh my, but this do you mean I am the one who I dance on the floor and around?
Inukay pa namin
She
yan.
said, I am the one who I dance on the floor and around.
Artista
So take
ata.
my shot. She told me her name was Japanese Jean. She got the scene. And there he is, and it's ice cream being the one. On the floor. People always tell me, be careful what you do. Don't go around making.
Michael Jackson nangangarate.
Makarati nga, alam.
Take a look at you there. Really cheap. It's not my love. It's just a girl. It's like I am the one.
Ang ganda ng moonwalk.
Maluwag ata ang sapatos. Kaya di mo
Parang sasakyang may sira. Parang sasakyang tinutulak pa atras yung moonwalk.
Ulit mo ay moonwalk. Yung moonwalk.
Ulit!
Welcome,
Galing eh.
moonwalk, please.
Moonwalk,
Sino
please.
mo? Side view, side view. Kumalaw.
Okay.
That's for the children.
Japan.
I love you.
Yun na
For all
nakatala
the
doon.
children.
Beyond the world,
Yeah,
change the world.
yeah. Why don't you change your place? How is it, Michael?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good to be here in the Philippines.
This is your fourth time here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Ha!
It's my second time here in the Philippines.
Yeah, second time. The first time you're alive. Now you're dead.
Yes, I am. I love you. I love being there.
Michael, what happened to the moonwalk?
Yeah.
That's my,
The
yes,
new
that's my
style, new
original.
style.
Oh, that's original.
Yeah.
Yung palang original talaga.
Okay. One more time. One more time.
Bossing request.
Moonwalk. Moonwalk.
Hey, yeah,
Yan, buwelo muna. Buwelo. Yan. Ang galing, oh.
Ayan, oh.
Ayan na.
6, 7, 8. Ayan na.
Busan!
I love you, Bosing. Bosing?
You know bowsing?
Yes.
Bowsing.
I love Bosing.
Meron
Bosing.
natang ano, may gout
I love you.
yata.
Ulo. Kumain na. Pasensya na kayo, kumain ng isaw eh. Nagbaba sa aeroplano.
Munggo. Tawagin ulit natin ang ating mga Barangay Superstar for today. Mga Hollywood Barangay Superstars. Eto na po.
Elizabeth Ramsey, Barangay. Ito ba?
Pag naging lolo si Michael Jackson, gano'n ang moonwalk. Ano, hugot-hugot lang ng patalikod.
Kaya pakinggan po natin yung mga komento ng ating mga hurado.
Comment.
And judges, please.
Yeah, you listen to the comments.
Hey, judges.
Judges.
Sinusulat na ng mga judges.
How about you, bossing? Do you have any comment?
Sulat nyo ng sinong barangay superstar nyo for today.
Si Tina
At
Turner.
ihulog sa ating box.
Tina Turner parang
At
papunta na sa
mamaya,
Anap.
malalaman na natin kung sino ang tatanghaling bangkay.
Ay!
Bossing!